As a committee is that anybody...
We don't want any person in Meru to get coronavirus. So because we don't have any case, our struggle right now is to make sure we don't have any. So the focus is to prevent coronavirus from coming to Meru County. Our fight is to prevent coronavirus from affecting any of our people.
Hii kamati ambaye tuko naye, ambaye tuna co-chair with the governor, we are open to the views and suggestions of anybody from within and from without. And as long as it is a suggestion to better our fight against COVID-19, I want to assure you we shall walk the full length together. I'll start with the second one.